I made this video, then I watched myself say it back, word for word, and I never opened my mouth once. That's me on screen right now. Well, not me, it's a copy. Same face, same voice. Even that little head tilt I do when I'm thinking. And it'll say anything I type, anything. It freaked me out the first time I saw it. So let me show you how I built it with HeyGen for free and why it scared me by the end. Okay, so here's where it starts. HeyGen has a feature that clones a real person, not a cartoon avatar. You. And the part that got me? All it needs is a 15-second webcam recording. You can spin up a talking avatar on the free plan, but the full clone I'm about to show you, the one with my actual voice, that's on their creator plan. I'll flag it when we get there. 15 seconds. That's it. I didn't grab a fancy camera for this. I sat at my desk, window light behind me. No studio, no ring lights, nothing special. HeyGen puts a short script on screen, you read it out, and you say a little code at the end so it knows the real you signed off. Mine was 22. Felt kind of official. Hit done. Named the avatar. Waited a couple of minutes while it built. The face was one thing. The voice is what got under my skin, and this is the part that needs the paid plan. So, heads up. On free, you pick from HeyGen's library of stock voices. But to clone your own voice to make it sound like me, that's the creator plan. And honestly, that's the feature worth paying for. Here's why. When it finished, HeyGen played back a preview of my cloned voice. And it was close. Not perfect, but close. So I opened a tool they've got called the Voice Doctor. It plays you a few versions and you pick the one that sounds most like you. I told it, nope, doesn't sound like me. Listen to 3 options and pick the winner. Behind the scenes, it switched my voice engine over to one called Fish. Don't ask me why it's called that. It just sounded better. Then I found the part that made me go, wait, what? It's called mirror voice. You record yourself saying the lines at the pace you want, but here's the trick. It throws that recording away. It only keeps your rhythm. Then it uses your voice print to rebuild the whole thing in your voice, at your speed. So I sped through my intro once, applied it, and played it back. Here's how to use HeyGen Free to create your own AI digital twin. That's not me talking. I never said that. But it sounds exactly like me, and it's paced exactly like me. That's the moment it stopped feeling like a tool and started feeling like a copy. So I hit generate. Quick heads up, if you're on the free plan, you get a watermark, and it caps out at 720 pixels. You can pay to lose both, but honestly, 720 is fine for social. A minute later, the video was ready, and I just stared at it. It had my mannerisms, the way I move my hands. The little pauses before a point. If you didn't know me, you'd never clock it. If you did know me, you'd do a double take. I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10 for sounding like me. There's even an eye contact correction toggle that locks the gaze onto the camera. Somehow that made it more believable and more creepy at the same time. I kept replaying it, trying to catch a glitch, something that gave it away. I couldn't find one. Then it went up a level. I can change my clothes and my whole background with one line of text. And there I was, on a stage, holding a mic, people moving in the background, wearing a jacket I don't own, giving a talk I never gave. I made a second look straight from a template too, about a minute each. That's the bit that scared me, if I'm being honest. Not the tech being bad, the tech being this good. A 15-second clip is now enough to drop a moving, talking version of me anywhere, saying anything. Sit with that for a second. So is it evil? No. I use tools like this to make content faster without filming all day, and for that, it's a real time saver. And to be fair, HeyGen makes you say that code to prove it's really you, so it's not like a stranger can clone you off a random clip. I appreciated that part. Want to try it? The free plan gives you 3 videos, up to 3 minutes each, every month. Plenty to test it out. If you want longer videos with no watermark, the creator plan bumps you to unlimited and 30-minute clips. Links below if you want to mess around with it yourself. And hey, if my clone ever starts posting videos without me, we never had this chat. Catch you in the next one.